Watch what the fuck you doing. It's 65 degrees in New York, baby! Yes! The weather is sick. Summer's coming. I can't wait. It's gonna be 40 this weekend though. But it's coming. Got the car out today. We are headed to Ridgefield BMW for a little, I don't know, BMW Cars and Coffee / unveiling of the new M3, M4. So that should be pretty cool. Going to meet up with James now. He just picked up his new 2021 M2 competition in Hockenheim Silver. Thing is absolutely sick. Check it out.
James, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Good.
Look at everybody's here for you.
Oh, what the? This is so fire. Are you kidding me, dude? Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Oh, nice.
Wow. That thing is sick. That thing is sweet. That thing's beautiful.
Yo,
James
is here.
Calling out. You already know.
Oh, yeah. Come back out.
Wow.
All right, boy.
Yo, James, that interior?
Dude,
You know what?
Wait, what color is
It
that?
wouldn't be on, it wouldn't
Is it
be
the
on the
blue
whole fucking book, man.
I told him the interior is the best part, I told
I've
him.
been thinking about these seats, especially
Yo,
from pictures.
This is the first M2 that we delivered with that interior like that. I'll tell you that much. Yeah.
That's nice.
Whoa! What? Whoa!
It's your birthday present.
Birthday present.
Okay, are you gonna come up to Connecticut? Because I know you don't like actual champagne, so mimosa and
Can't give them all that.
what?
Someone's gotta go to the office.
Yeah, it's for it's a girl pack, not for all of us.
Nice car, bro.
Hey, what's that thing from like 1998?
Yeah.
Nice 328 with a body kit.
James is back. What am I gonna do to grow my page? What am I gonna do to make my content something worthwhile watching? So this is what we're gonna do. You guys are gonna decide in the comments out of a quad, a dirt bike, Honda Grom, or a pit bike. I will give away one of those things to a subscriber. Now, you guys got to decide what it's going to be. the ground, dirt bike or pit bike. So let me know. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, and write in the comments, like this video, and tell me what you guys want. Why not? You guys hitting that subscribe button is helping my channel grow. So why can't I give back a thank you to one of my subscribers? Like I said, we are going to Ridgefield BMW right now. Let's jump right there.
Ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying Carhartt, car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating